Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to stop the Windows 10 game bar from showing once you're playing a game. If you find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, it's actually fairly simple, and what we're going to do first is come down to the search bar, and what you want to do is just go ahead and type settings, and it's going to bring up the settings app at the top, so you just want to go ahead and give that a click. So once this is opened, you should get a screen that looks like this, and what you want to do is locate the gaming button, which is down here. And then from here, what you want to do is, if you look to the menu on the left hand side, you want to come and click onto game bar. And then at the very top, you'll see there's a toggle switch, and all you need to do is switch that to off. So you can also uncheck this option, which is to open the game bar using this button on a controller. So if you've got like an Xbox controller plugged in to your PC, you can actually open the game bar with the button, but if you want to disable that, then obviously just go ahead and untick this box. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.